Hey everyone, if you're a student and want to create a professional resume for jobs, internships, or part-time work, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a resume for students in 2026. First, use a free resume builder like resume.com. It is very beginner friendly and perfect for students who are just starting out. Next, choose a simple and clean student-friendly template. I mean, your resume should look modern, neat, and easy to read. Now add your personal information. Include your name, phone number, email, and location clearly. Next, write a short objective or summary. Mention your study field and your career goals in a simple way. Then add your education details. As a student, this is your most important section, so make it clear and updated. After that, include your skills and activities. Add communication skills, computer skills, and any clubs or volunteer work. Finally, keep your resume simple and professional. Avoid adding unnecessary or confusing information. So yeah, that's how students can create a resume easily. Follow each step carefully, and you'll have a professional resume ready for jobs or internships. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more student career tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey,